D major scale on saxophone. The D major scale has two sharps. It's the F sharp and the C sharp. And we're going to cover each note so that you know how to play D major scale on your saxophone. So let's start off by covering the notes, starting from low D, and that's 3 fingers in your left hand and 3 fingers in your right hand. Then moving from D to E to F sharp, and that's the middle key here. Moving on from F sharp to G, A, B, C sharp, and that's no keys. And then landing on D with octave key. So get your saxophone ready and we're going to play this together, starting from the low D. Here we go. The D major scale can actually be played in 2 octaves on your saxophone. So let's cover the upper octave as well. This time you will actually start on the D with octave key pushed in. So basically the note that we just ended on, that's going to be the new starting note. And from here on, you will have the octave key pushed in on the back of the saxophone all the way up to that high D. So let's cover these fingerings. D with octave key on the back, pushed in, moving up through E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and then D on the side. And that's this palm key here. So you have 3 palm keys. So what you do, you just keep your hand as a Lego hand like this when you play, and then you just fold your hand down a little bit so you push down on that D side key or palm key. And this palm key should be pushed in while keeping the octave key on the back. So octave key is going to be on there all the time throughout these notes. So let's cover that one more time just to make sure. D with octave key pushed in, moving up, here we go, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and fold your hand slightly to get that D with the palm key on the side. All right, so let's play this now, starting from D in the second octave. So that's the D fingering with the octave key pushed in. And then we're going to go all the way up to that high D with the palm key on the side. So here we go, starting from D with octave key. Okay, so let's make a big finish here and play the D major scale from that low D all the way up to the high D. So starting from low D all the way up 2 octaves, landing on that high D with octave key. I hope you're ready. We're going to do this right now. So bring your saxophone up, finger that low D. Here we go. Alright, there you have it. Now you can play the scale, and make sure to download the PDF guide that covers all 12 major scales on your saxophone. There's a link below this video. That way you can work through all 12 major scales on your sax, and that will help you a lot as you continue on your saxophone journey. But that's it for now. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video.